Morning guys, it's October 6, 2021. This is another no heat call gas furnace. So, got a whole bunch of them today. I'm just gonna go around and try to bang them out. Hopefully I have what I need in the truck to fix it. We'll see. People call me, I put them on a list, and I get to them, I'll call them if they're there. I'll go by and fix it, or try to fix it. Try to get you some shots. Never a dull moment, Mama. Oh man, never a dull moment, Molly. Never a dull moment. What did he do?
Well, he replaced, that's what I was going to show you once you
What did he replace?
He replaced this.
Okay.
We don't think it's this.
He replaced the vacuum switch.
Right, and then he took this cord and to get the fan going. He said he can get the fan going.
So he replaced this, and that's still not a problem.
Right.
All right, let me take it apart. And
No
let's see
problem.
what's going on with it.
It's an old unit.
Yeah, okay. Why don't you go turn the thermostat up upstairs, please?
You got it.
Let's see what it's doing here. See if the fan even comes on.
He took that unit apart too.
Did he?
Yeah, he took that all out. The whole thing, and then he took the plastic thing, and then he got that wire just to see if it was the fan. So if you stick wires in there, it moves. So that's what he did.
Let's see if we even getting any. Oh, what are we getting for codes here? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 blinks. Pressure switch problem. 3 flashes. I don't even see if the fan's not even coming on, so that might be what the issue is.
Right.
The problem is, you know, you guys over there taking shit apart and stuff. I mean, you don't know what he did.
Well, that was the only thing.
Jumping shit out, and next thing you know, he makes a flipping mess out of it.
Yeah, no, that's the only thing he did. I was actually watching him the whole time. So.
Let's see if we can jump out the thermostat and see if we get it to work. Red. What is it?
You learned a valuable lesson. You get people who know their job.
Yeah, that's probably the best thing to do.
Yeah, oh no, he was trying.
Hire somebody that knows what the hell's going on.
And I knew that for everybody else. Why I did this time, cause I asked him if he knew somebody. He goes, I'll look at it first, and I was like, okay.
All right, so the thermostat is calling. Thermostat's calling for heat, but nothing's running.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So the first thing that should run is this fan.
Right.
That's the first thing that should run is the fan. We got this door switch. Let's see if we got power here. No power to the fan. power to the fan. Was the fan running before? The exhaust fan, this thing?
No. He was able to get it going when he put the two orange wires together. Then that's why he replaced that one on the top, and now it doesn't.
Alright, we got 24 volts there. Well, nothing pulling in it. That's not going to work unless the fan works. This isn't going to pull in unless the fan runs.
Okay. The stuff would glow on the bottom when he used to put two wires together. That's why he thought it was that, but the fan hasn't worked.
We got the voltage there. I think this control is bad. That's what I think. It's that bottom control that's bad, this thing. That's the problem, is the controller. Because it's not sending any power up. Let me try it again, see if the fan, the voltage out of the fan. We'll do it again one more time. See if we get any voltage there. No voltage to the fan. The fan has to run first, you know,
Right.
for anything to work.
Yeah.
Do you play around with any of these wires down here? Not that you know of, huh?
No, like I said, the only thing he did was the orange wires up top to the right, and then the black, white, and red to the fan. He took that plastic thing apart, he stuck two wires in it, and then the fan started. But he didn't touch anything down there.
Line voltage. Let's see what we got. Line coming in. Line voltage. Line voltage right there. Let's see if I got any power coming down here, which I should. Yeah, I got 20. I got 110 coming in. No power going up to the fan, so this control's bad. I'm gonna have to get another controller for it.
Okay. It really hasn't been that bad, to tell you the truth. Because I have my sister lives upstairs, so we get to hang out there mostly.
Let me get another control.
Okay.
And we'll, once I get it. I'll come back and I'll do it, because I got no power. The problem is, this is a Train American Standard. There's no there's no companies around here that have these parts like on the stock, on the shelf, you know? Unfortunately.
I know. I need to get a new one eventually.
Let me get another board.
Okay.
And let me take a look at my truck quick. Sometimes I got used stuff that I keep. If it was a good board, let me just take a quick look.
Okay.
I mean, to get you by, right?
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
If not, I'll have to hunt one down. Let me just take a quick look in the in my truck before I say I don't have it.
Oh, no problem.
Morning, guys. November 10th, 2021. This one I have to go back to that American Standard furnace. I was there on Saturday, and she had some handyman over there changing all kinds of parts on the thing, and changed some kind of we had a 3-blink code, and came up as a pressure switch. So the handyman changed one of the pressure switches, and he had jumped out the pressure switches to get the thing working. But I checked, and there was no power going from the board to the exhaust fan motor, which should run first. So I'm pretty confident that it needs a new control board. So I got a cross for that control board. I got a new style control board for it. I'm gonna go back over there and see if I can get it going for her. I don't know what the story is with the exhaust fan motor, because he supposedly jumped it out with 110 to see if it worked. So get a little leery when you get someone else over there and doing all kinds of shit to it. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and swap out the board. I got the board over here, the one that's supposed to go with it. And we'll see if we can get her heat. She's got a little electric heater she's using right now. I ordered it online. It came in yesterday, so it's been pretty warm here. It's been like 70 degrees during the day. It gets down in the 30s at night, but hasn't been that cold yet. So I'm on my way over there now, and we'll try to get you some shots. Hopefully this thing works. I told her the price would change out the furnace. She didn't like that so well. So we'll try this. If this don't work, she's gonna need a new furnace. So if I can't get that original control board that's in there, it's no longer available. Miss Molly is working again, y'all. Are you working again, Miss Molly? Yeah, you love working. Yeah, you love working, Miss Molly. Got a bunch of jobs I've been pricing out, oil replacements and gas boiler replacements, and if I get all these flipping jobs, I'm going to be swamped. I'm not as young as I used to be, you know. These change-outs kind of really take their toll on me. I'm only one guy, you know. Not as young as I used to be. Not 19 anymore. I ain't got a bunch of helpers like some of these other guys. They go around with helpers. I'm all by myself. I gotta do everything myself. So.
Road. Then take the ramp on the right.
Try to get you some shots when I get there. I got it off. I was here last Saturday. I had to tape up that. This is the control I gotta change. Cool one is black, yellow's park, heat's red. I should probably take a picture of that. This can only go on one way. There's a line coming in. label everything so I know there's no issues after, in case I forget something. Right. Black is cool. Cool is black. Yellow is park. Heat low is red. And then this blue is heat high. And then this one here is the line coming in. You can see that's coming in right from the switch, the line. And then this one here, transformer, will be blue. Blue, and that one was XMFR. And then this one here is white. White, and that one is EAC. And then this one here is HUM. Give that one a green. HUM. And this is the rest all neutrals. These are all neutrals. That's a neutral for the motor. White. Neutral for the transformer. HEM for the transformer, right? The neutral. And then this is the neutral from the line voltage. And we got this. Let's see what we got here. This has to go like this. I should plug in like that. All the neutrals are up top there. I have a weird spot to have it. I'd like to get this thing the fuck out of here. To be honest with you. The cooling is black. What's that one? That's the cooling. Low heat is red. Red. Low heat. Blue is high heat. And then this yellow is on park. That's the park. Alright, so what's the next one? White is green is HUM. This ain't gonna reach. I'm gonna need to get some jumpers. Nothing's reaching here. I did extend all this shit out, which I don't like. It's black for the humidifier, the blue one would be, this blue one here is going to be XM. What's that? Line voltage coming in. Line voltage coming in. We could just disconnect this and go right into this with the line voltage. That's what I'm going to do. Right into there. And then the last one is the green. Yeah, it's the green. That one's not going to reach. I'm going to do something with that. And then this white one is that one's not going to reach either. Got to get some adapters and stuff. That green one should be the humidifier, which is that one now. It's going to be there. And then Alright, and then the next thing is this has to be extended too. I might be able to get a little bit more out of it, I think. If I can, won't be able to get enough on that to make it reach. Maybe. Looks like it. Just have this thing come in the front instead of on the back. We have more room. Yeah, I'll probably reach now. Reach? I guess it does reach. Oh, bitch. I'll hook up all the low voltage now. We should be good to go. I disconnected this switch. I should tie these, some tape on there. Most guys wouldn't bother. I'll just sell them a new furnace. That's what I probably should have did. But no. I'll try to save the lady some money. Cost me all kinds of flipping time and aggravation. But new. But new. Let's try to be a flipping superhero all the time. So we got the this is common. W1 two-stage. And this is W2. W2. So what the fuck? That's W2. This one here will be the Y. Hope this thing fucking works, I'll tell you, that's all I can say. I'm busting my ass on this thing. Two. This is Y. This is Y, this is for the air conditioning. Red and green. What bitch? Red. And the green. And then the next two is the common, or B. Should be common, I guess. Turn the power on. See if the fan kicks in. Fan's not kicking in. There it goes. There goes the fan. Tie all these wires up and bitch, huh? Working. We have ignition. A flipping job changing that thing out. And it put all kinds of connectors on it and extenders and drain gas. Alright, she's running, but she's shutting off on a high limit. I think it's the filters that she's running. She's gonna get some cheaper filters. Cycling off and on a high limit. Replace main control board. It's working. What a pain in the ass that was. How you doing? You have heat. Now, are you the sister or are you
I'm the sister.
Okay, she's got to run cheaper filters down there because the thing's cycling on and off on a high limit. I'll call her. See these filters right here?
Right.
Yeah, these are two. See the 1500 hyperallergenic. She's got to get cheaper filters.
Really?
Yeah, because it's cycling off and on a high limit. It's not good.
Oh.
I'll call her. What do you want to set at? 70?
No, 65 she usually does.
65. All right.